guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the first time in 18 years of being in Bangalore. I'm going to Nandi Hills. I'm going here with my family today. It's 7:50 now and we're about 25 kilometers away from Nandi Hills. So I'll continue vlogging there. So this is the first time I've come here and the climate is crazy. It's super cool, super chill. It almost feels like Ooty in Bangalore. Why am I comparing Ooty to Nandi Hills? Because Ooty is one of the coldest hill stations that I've been to, and the climate here is fantastic. It's 9:30 right now, but it's still so cool, so chill. The climate here, despite the sun being out very bright, the climate is still very chill. There is some crazy view right here. I'm just heading down to that place to see the view. My parents are somewhere up there and I just started walking down. This is the view that I was talking about. There's a small walkway here. You can walk around the place around, and they've built a wall here so that people don't cross it and stay in the safe limits. And they've also built I don't know what those are called, but you can stand there and click pictures with the whole background. Pretty crazy. The view here is ultimate. For the first time I'm seeing such a beautiful place around Bangalore. It's generally the places where I've been to is filled with a lot of people, a lot of crowd and pollution. Despite this place being a popular place and a very weekend happening spot, it doesn't feel polluted at all. Generally, even other hill stations which are pretty far off are polluted by a lot of travelers. Luckily here, people don't throw or litter a lot. From what I've seen, I didn't see anyone throwing trash outside the car windows too, which is pretty common in hill stations where a lot of bus commute happens, because the passengers in the bus just tend to throw out whatever they get in their hand. So there are a lot of people here, so I don't want to risk removing my mask, and temperature checking or whatsoever is not done before they let people up here. And walking straight in, you need to keep walking. I think for about half a kilometer inside you have the viewpoint here, and I'll just show you all that. But it's very crowded, nothing very exotic, just the climate that's good. That was the viewpoint back there, and right here there's some temple, but unfortunately I won't be going there today. And we're just heading back out, and there was a little bit of forest area back there, so we'll go there, get into that place and check it out, stay there for some time and then drive back home. And it's getting pretty sunny, not pretty, it's getting very sunny. Probably an hour or an hour and a half down the line, it's going to get very hot. From when we came here to now, the climate has changed, the chillness is reduced, and it's gotten a little hotter. Getting back into the car, and then we'll be going down. Once we get off the hill station, there's some hotel just close to the highway. Forgot the name, so we'll be eating our breakfast there and then heading back home. It's 9:05, I think. It's 9:05 now. So that car we just saw back there, that's been broken down from the time we're gone in. The mechanics here, and he's trying to fix it, but it didn't get fixed, and I think he's still on it trying to fix it. Hopefully he gets it fixed and goes back home on time. I'm just heading to my car now. We'll be going down, and I'll continue vlogging once I start eating or when I'm eating, because I'm dead hungry. I woke up at 5:30 and I haven't eaten anything since then, so I'll see you all then. Down here at Nandi Upachar, we're going to have our breakfast here, and we'll be leaving probably in another half an hour. The time now is 10. We're driving back very slowly from there, so we should be leaving here by 10:30. The food here was absolutely fab. It was so good that I didn't even want to make a video while eating. We just finished eating, and here, this is the bill. Little bit on the expensive side, but the taste was fab. Too good, too good. If any of y'all are coming here to Nandi Hills, do stop at Nandi Upahar and eat. I'll show you the hotel from the outside as well. It's just before you take the turn in for Nandi Hills from the highway. The service at this place was fab. The food was given like very quick, despite it being very crowded here. Just look at the number of cars that are here, and the bikes are also parked inside. Despite this place being crazy crowded, filled with a lot of people, the service was still very quick, and the food tasted excellent. Apparently it's one of Pakashala subsidies. So Pakashala, there are a lot of hotels in the city inside Bangalore, and there are few on the highway too. I think there's one in the highway near Kunigal, Bangalore to Mangalore highway. It is crazy. The food was too good, service was also excellent. But if you're coming here, just bring in cash. Don't depend on Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay or card transactions as well, because the network inside the restaurant is very bad. So when you're inside, all the Phone Pay, Google Pay stuff don't work, and you can see a lot of people who come out to pay. So that's one issue here, but other than that, everything was great.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.